52 as we count down to 4:53 on the button now. We'll get your forecast with Chris Nunley.
What are you going to do as the clock counts down to midnight or counts up to midnight?
I'll be asleep, Christopher.
You're going to be asleep?
Baby's sleeping, I have to sleep.
Okay, I got you. I think I'm going to be asleep too, to be honest. Do we have any fun activities coming up Saturday morning?
We do. Oh. We have some New Year's Eve food sampling and a countdown for the kids.
All right, tune in Saturday morning. We will be here. A quiet start to the day in Seattle. Notice that the roads are dry, no rain yet. That's going to change later on this morning into the afternoon. But right now we have partly cloudy skies, 41 degrees. Notice the winds east-southeast at 10 miles per hour. So they are a little bit lighter than where they'd been over the past couple of days. You're going to notice that as you step outside. Maybe you want that light long sleeve in Olympia this morning. Good morning, 39 degrees, 41 for my friends in Shelton. Just a little bit colder in Port Angeles, 37 degrees in the cold spot. As we expect, Winthrop checking in at 2 degrees this morning with partly cloudy skies. This afternoon, we're going to see those temperatures climb just a few degrees, so you can add on just a few degrees to the temperature right now, and that's what you see this afternoon, topping out in the mid-40s for most of western Washington. Out near the coast, upper 40s expected, and then a few upper 40s sprinkled in for southern parts of Puget Sound. A few rain showers on and off throughout the day, and then some mountain snow, and that will also extend into central parts of Washington. Weak frontal system moving in. Nonetheless, it is creating a little uptick in some of that precipitation this morning, especially out along the coast where we are seeing that light to, in some cases, moderate rainfall. That's going to continue to slowly work its way toward Puget Sound, and we're starting to see just a little outer edge of that precipitation shield start to move into southern parts of Puget Sound, the Kitsap Peninsula, Hood Canal, Shelton, Allen, Belfair, getting in on some rain right now. That's going to work its way toward Tacoma, Silverdale, Bremerton, and eventually Seattle over the next couple of hours. So just give yourself a little extra time on those roadways as we see that uptick in intensity and coverage of the rain throughout the late morning hours toward lunchtime. Notice that the I-5 corridor from Tacoma all the way up to Everett, seeing some of those light, in some cases moderate rain showers that will transition into more spottier activity this afternoon and evening. Notice the snow in the mountains. Those passes are going to see quite a bit of snow over the next 24 to 36 hours. Another system moves in tonight into tomorrow, and notice by tonight we see that uptick in the rain coverage and intensity across western Washington. Now today we're going to pick up between, say, we'll say a tenth of an inch to 2/10 of an inch for Puget Sound. A little farther west we're going to see maybe up to half an inch of rain. The mountains are going to see some of that snow, though. This is where we could see upwards of 6 to 12 inches of snow over the next 24 to 36 hours. 7-day forecast is looking wet over the next couple of days at times. New Year's Eve, though, does look dry for western Washington. It appears that we are going to see temperatures fall into the upper 30s.